Hello guys, welcome back to another video of 30 days CAD challenge where we would be making 3D models out of 2D models. Today we are going to make model 22. The learning outcome that you would get from this video is how to use sweep boss base feature and also extruded boss base feature. Hope you guys enjoy this video and let's start. We would first of all start the sketch by making this between section, this section, okay, over a tangent arc, make a tangent arc, okay. In this direction. Okay, now 100 mm of 180 mm and this is of 120 mm. Okay, everything is fine. Exit the sketch. Now go to reference on plane, click on this point and this path. Okay, now sketch on this plane. Now where to? Now sketch a square of 36 by 36. Go over here, center a triangle. Okay, and then exit the sketch. Go into sweep boss base feature. The sketch is selected. Now select the path and okay. Okay, so now till here we have completed. Now we would start sketching this part and this part. First of all, we would start from this. Now where to? Okay, take a sector. Then give sketch fillet of 45, 5 of okay, draw 4 circles. Just trim these construction lines first, then draw 4 circles. Make them equal. Of 12 diameter. Okay, now well, okay, 27. Okay, 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 everything is fine. Then go to extrude boss base and do it reverse direction and make an extrude of 12 mm. Okay, alright, add this plane. Now go on to reference plane, select this and hit 0. Okay, sketch here. Okay, send a rectangle. Give a dimension. 20. Okay, again sketch fillet of 5 mm. Okay, trim these construction lines and make 4 circles. Control, press all the circles, make them equal, and then dimension 12. Okay, okay. Now make this center. Okay, recheck the dimensions. Okay, then go to extrude boss base and make an extrude of 12 mm. Okay, hide this plane. So here our model 22 is ready. Do let us know if you came across any difficulty in the comment section, and like, share and subscribe to our channel Start Scratch, and check out other videos to learn similar skills through our bite-sized content. Thank you, and I would see you guys in the next one.